It was a phenomenal workshop. I couldn't recommend it highly enough.
I liked it a lot. It was interesting from start to finish. It was fun. There was a levity to the whole thing that made it all very enjoyable. But most of all, it was practical. And I walked away with tools and with additional information and with an added layer of courage.
I feel like I have a better understanding of why certain tactics work and don't work, and I've got an actual framework for how I can interact with people that I can go home and read up on and practice and come back to over time that will help me be a better ally, not just tomorrow, but over a long time.